Dear parents, hello, hope you're all safe. In the current situation, online education is very important. A good learning management system is an essential component of online education. As you know, your child's school has chosen a good learning management system. Here is how we can use this learning management system. Now let's see how the learning management system can help your child. We have published the students' lesson in electronic format. There are many types of learning materials for students, including videos, presentations, documents, and games. This is different from the traditional textbook. Therefore, it will help the children learn the lessons a much better way. Not only that, but also it has a mechanism to check if the child has done the materials and how many marks he has received in assessments. Another unique feature is the automatic scorecard generation system. With just one click, you can know your child's score level. Now let's see how to use it. The first thing you need to do is open a web browser. The application must be opened in a Chrome browser. For that, you have to type URL of the school in the address bar. For example, if it's the Abram School, type theabram.cybersquare.org. If it is Habitat School, type habitatschool.cybersquare.org. Or if it's Seed School, type seed.cybersquare.org. Click on the candidate option on the next page. You will get a screen to type username and password. Type the username and password and then press the login button. Now you are viewing the child's dashboard screen. The menu bar on the left has options for My Courses, Live Classroom, Visual Coding, and Scorecard. Click on My Courses to find course materials. There will be a course for each subject. Courses are displayed in tile form. Click on the course tile to see the lessons. Click on the syllabus button at the top right to view the course in index format. If we click on the name of the index, and we can open the material. Now let's see how to attend a live classroom. If we click on Live Classroom button on the left, and we can see the schedule for the day will be displayed. A monitor icon is displayed on the right side of each schedule. Click on the Join Live Meeting after the monitor screen. Click on Join Live Meeting. Clicking on Join Live Meeting automatically opens Joining window to meeting. In this window, click on Ask to Join. Once you have the option to type your name in it, enter it. If you are unable to enter the meeting this way, you will get the meeting link by clicking on the link below the Join Live Meeting button. You can copy it and open in a new tab and paste it. Now let's see how to use LMS in an mobile or tablet. First, please open Google Chrome in your mobile and then type your URL of LMS in the address bar. Please type theabram.cybersquare.org for the Abram School, and for Habitat School, habitatschool.cybersquare.org, and Seed School, seed.cybersquare.org. Please type the URL of the LMS. And then you will see a page. Please click on Student icon. Now you have to type username and password and then sign in. Now you can see your student's dashboard. On the left side top, you can see a sandwich icon. Please click on it. You can see My Courses, Live Classrooms, Scorecard, Visual Coding. If you click My Courses, you can view your course materials. Courses are in the form of tiles. When you click on it, you can view your course materials. You can see syllabus there on the right side. Right top, please click on it and you can see your course materials in index format. When you click on the index, you can view the materials. Now, if you want to attend live class, please go to live classroom icon. Now you can see your scheduled sessions. You can see a monitor icon near the schedule session. When you click on it, you can see a join live meeting icon. Please click on it. It will automatically direct you to a Google Meet. You have to install Google Meet into your device and keep it signed in. Now you will have your live class started. You will be joining it automatically. And if you are not able to attend like that, please click here below join live meeting and copy paste the meet link there in a new page and join. Hope you have understood. Thank you.